In this video, I'm going to share with you what I would do in 2022 if I had to start from scratch and was trying to make affiliate income as quickly as possible. I promise you, it's probably not what you think. What's up, everybody? Nate McAllister here, author of Evergreen Affiliate Marketing. If you're interested in learning more about affiliate marketing, click subscribe. Currently, I make most of my money through SEO for my blog and through social media, mostly through my Facebook groups and then my email lists. I also run paid ads and do some other things that are kind of working towards a bigger goal of growing all of my channels, growing my email list. But the one method that I would use if I was starting from scratch isn't one that I'm really doing very much of right now. SEO is amazing. I love building traffic and getting visitors overnight when I'm not working. When you create traffic for search engines or for YouTube, which is a search engine, of course, you're getting traffic continually if you do it right, okay? Not every article, but a lot of articles will get good traffic and you don't have to keep recreating content every single day to drive sales, which is why I love it. Problem? Those methods take a long time. So for the purpose of this video, which was how I'd do it if I needed to make money right away as quickly as possible, I would not do SEO. I would do YouTube, but not like the YouTube that you're watching right now. This is what I would do. I would focus exclusively on short form video content on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts. I'd also have a website where I had links to the things I was trying to promote and also some form of lead opt-in where I would grow my email list in the process. But the immediate sales would be coming from short form content that showed people a new product that they didn't know was so freaking cool. This would not be a review site. It would be showcasing awesome products that people are going to want to buy right away, and not in the form that you see normally on TikTok, which is like sponsored ads. You see a sponsored ad and you just flip right by it. You can tell when you're about to be sold a product. However, if you were showing someone how you genuinely use something that you love and show them how they might use it as well, you can make a ton of sales. Let me show you an example really quickly of the type of video that I'm talking about. This is a TikTok that I just created and I shared it on TikTok and YouTube Shorts and Instagram. I love my MacBook, but there is one massive flaw in the engineering, and that is this power brick. It's too top heavy and it falls out unless you use the entire outlet. It's a nightmare. There is a cool add-on that we can get right here. It's only $39.95. It's not promoted by me or anything. I just like it. You can plug it in to your outlet and it's going to go in there. Instead of being a brick, it's going to just be a traditional port. So two-prong, you connect it just like normal. And even cooler is that you can also have extra ports here to charge your iPhone or wherever else you want. This video was not intended to sell anything. So the only difference between this video and what you would be creating is that you would have a link in bio, or you would have something that told people how to purchase it through your affiliate link. The beauty of short form content is that it does not have that same barrier to entry that traditional SEO does. When we write blog posts, it takes a long time to build the authority to rank for it. So if I wanted to try to sell these Apple AirPod Maxes, I would have to compete with big websites like TechCrunch, Lifehacker, sites that have been around for decades that have a huge domain authority. If I was starting a brand new site, it would take me years to get to that point where I could actually beat them and make any sales. Here's the beautiful thing about doing this short form content. You only need to create one piece of content and then mildly tweak it for each channel. So I can do the same video on Instagram, on TikTok, and on YouTube Shorts. I have to upload them all separately and do some minor tweaking. I can't use the same music, for example, that I use on TikTok on YouTube Shorts. And also the Instagram format's gonna be a little bit different, but it's very simple. If you've made one video, it's easy to make 3 formatted for the same platforms. They're also the same size. So it's really easy. The process is going to give you 3 chances of exposure on the different platforms at the same time. You will notice that sometimes the videos go viral on TikTok and they don't go viral on Instagram or YouTube Shorts. I have found no evidence that they punish you if you republish videos on YouTube and TikTok and Instagram. This video I published just recently got about the same number of views on TikTok and YouTube Shorts, published at basically the exact same time. This method can work in almost any niche. Just make sure it's a niche that you're actually interested in so that you can do the research to make cool videos. There is something in every single niche that you can do. And also, if your goal is the long game, which it should be, just because you're doing this to start, that doesn't mean that you can't still do things like SEO and blogging down the road. If you create a good following on TikTok and Instagram, it'll make it easier when you decide to grow into other platforms. You can be like, hey, check out this blog post. That is not work that's going to waste because the audience you build can translate into traffic on other platforms later. Just keep at it, and you're going to need to create a decent amount of content. I recommend publishing at least daily. If you're trying to grow really quickly though, I would recommend publishing 3 to 4 times every day. And of course, this channel is about you, not me. So here's what you should do next if you want to implement this. Number 1, go create those accounts: Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. For TikTok, create a business account. That's going to let you do the link in bio. Next, you're going to want to create a link in bio page. There's a couple of options. Google link in bio and you'll have several software products that do this for you, or you can just create your own through your own website builder. Number 3, you need some sort of email capture software. I recommend ConvertKit, and you will want to create some sort of lead magnet because we don't want to waste all of these views. We do want to try to collect some email opt-ins. And number 4, create content, publish it daily at least. So that is it. That is the method that I would do if I had to make money with affiliate marketing really quickly right now, starting from scratch. Thank you for watching. As always, if you are interested in affiliate marketing, go to Amazon and type in Evergreen Affiliate Marketing. Grab yourself a copy of my book. It's available on Kindle, print, and Audible. And also subscribe to this channel where I publish 2 to 3 times every single week. Thank you guys. As always, I will see you hopefully in the next video.